What is up, guys? Chris Barter first here. Um, I'm back with another real-time video, and today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful grandfather clock. This is a part of my clock collection. I like just not sirens, but I like clocks as well, and this is, I've had this for a couple years. It's really beautiful. Sounds nice, sounds really good. This got damaged up here, but that's about all the things we got on this that you should be concerned about. I'm going to go over the winding procedures, and I'm also going to go over how to say it's actually about to go off now, so we'll leave that for last. I guess we can hear it for a second. It sounds really, really good. Okay. So I'm going to go over the winding procedures now. So you just open the door, just pull the chain. You gotta be very careful when you're doing this. Right there. We're gonna keep it right there. This one, I'm concerned to pull. And this is how you wind a chain-driven grandfather clock. Or long case clock, whatever you call it. There you go. Now it's fully wound. Alright. Fully wound. There you go. So that's how you wound. And there's a pendulum right there. It is completely dark because it has been got distorted. So there you go. There's the pendulum. And when I got it, it was crooked, but I fixed that. So there's the pendulum. There's your base. Got a little engraving right there, which is pretty nice as well. It's not like one of those fancy clocks. Like this is a Howard Miller model, I think. Yeah, Howard Miller. It was made in Western Germany. Let's get a good engraving on that. There you go, Western Germany. Got the Roman numerals here, which is really awesome. And you got a Tempest Fugit logo right there, which is pretty cool too. We're gonna go ahead and see how it chimes now. So we just did the hour. Do the 15. Westminster chime only. I'll reset it back. Half hour, that was half hour. 45. We're gonna run it up to the hour. Yep, see, it's got a hinge door on it. Okay. So that is basically the chimes on this. It sounds really, really good. I picked this up. I did not buy this new. I bought this secondhand. Very, very good condition for a secondhand clock. It sounds really good. Like it sounds really, really good. So I bent the hammers to make it sound better too. Overall, really nice clock. I mean, I bet that's all you can expect from it. To get a good chime out of it, but So all the way down, all the way up. There you go. So until next time, I guess we will see you guys next time in Stormworks, Minecraft, or any other game I play. Thank you.